How to insert a bullet list or numbering list in email on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the email app. In here, you can start to reply to an email or compose a new email. Then in the text box, to insert a numbering or a bullet list, swipe across here at the top and then tap on the numbering icon, and then you can start to use the numbering list. Item 2 and item 3 and so on. If you want to use a bullet list, you can tap on the bullet list icon, list 1 and then list 2 and then list 3, and that's it. This is how you can insert the numbering or bullet list in email on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.